Hello guys, good morning. Well, I'm going back to Massachusetts. Something's telling me I must go home. And the lights are going out in Massachusetts. That day I left her standing on her own. Right to head, a ride to San Francisco. Go to do the things I wanna do. In the lights going out in Massachusetts, they brought me back to say my way with you. Oh, about the life in Massachusetts. Speak about the people I have seen. And the lights all went out in Massachusetts. And Massachusetts is one place I've seen. I'll be going back to Massachusetts. 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 Thank you guys.